Okay, hey guys, it is Saturday. As you can see, Joey's here and we have the car loaded on the trailer. We are going to Cherokee tonight. It rained out at Carolina yesterday, pretty bad. They had the front straightaway wall fall, so they went ahead and canceled anyways because of the rain. Sorry, I'm cutting your head off, Joey.
That's okay.
But yeah, so hopefully we can get some racing in. There's supposedly a storm rolling in, but they haven't canceled yet, so we're gonna go and hope that we can race. So honestly, it's looking a little cloudy, but I think we can handle it. So yeah, we're gonna have racing tonight. So Andrew just got back from drawing a number. What'd you draw?
Out of 40 and 36. So we're up by 3 from last week.
I was gonna say that's better than last week, but
we got
not
about
bad.
10 weeks to go and we'll be drawing 1s and 2s.
We'll get there. So we're getting ready to unload the car so that we can be ready to go out for hot laps. Woo!
Dead last.
Okay, so the car is unloaded and Andrew's got the running order for tonight, and we are running second for everything, hot laps, heats, and mains. So hopefully our night should go pretty smoothly and we should be one of the first ones to be done. So fingers crossed that we can get this whole thing in and that the rain holds off. Alright, so Andrew just took the car out on the track to go and pack it. He's going to try to feel it out and see what the track's like right now. After that he'll come in once they're done packing, and then he'll line up in staging so that he can go out for his hot lap session. So he's the second hot lap session, so hopefully the track will be pretty good for that, so we can get an idea of what the car's like now that we fixed it. Alright, so Andrew is lined up for hot laps right there. I don't know if you can see him, I'm trying to get his heat pan. So they're lining up, they're doing Thunder Bummer hot laps right now, and then he's second. So I'll have footage of that right now. What's going on?
Car cut off at staging, but saw them in the distributor. We're getting the new one set back in.
So we're gonna run heat race in Maine?
Okay.
Alright.
2 Perfect.
Alright. You ready for heat race?
I guess.
Somebody's burning some fuel right now. Okay, so we just tried to go out for the heat race and the car's not starting, so we changed the distributor after hot laps and that's not worked, so we don't know what's going on, we don't know what's wrong. Hopefully we can get this race before the main event, that way we can actually go out for the main event, but it's not looking too good right now, so we'll see how this goes and we'll keep you posted. Go Andrew!
Okay, so we just got home. It is, what, about midnight? Yeah, midnight. So it wasn't too bad of a night. We didn't get stuck there like we thought we were going to be. We actually got out of the track a little early. So basically, summarizing tonight, we didn't get to run hot laps. We did not get to run a heat race, and that was because our distributor wire was messed up. It fell out of or we lost our module in the distributor, and then when we replaced it with the other one, when we got ready to go out for the heat race, the wire fell out.
We discovered the wire had come loose.
The wire had come loose. Same thing we'd been fighting at the beginning of the year. So yeah, so we had to start dead last. I think we started 11th and we finished 8th. So track position's kind of everything. And we were pretty much keeping up with everybody. We were gaining on people, but it just wasn't enough to get around them. So hopefully the GoPro footage came out good. I'm going to go look at that here in just a second. Thanks to everybody that gave us a hand this week, especially with having to fix this car. Thanks to all the sponsors who make this happen, and thanks to you guys as well for keeping this channel going. So we will be back at Carolina on Friday. I don't think it's a special event race. I think it's a normal night. So hope to see some of you guys there. And with that, we're going to go ahead and end the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, we will see you in the next video.